Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. As you can tell, my colors are very green this time because this week's stamping group theme is green, and I decided to go with a green base and a green stamping polish. And I do have a stamping plate that I received a while back, but I haven't used it yet, and I found the designs on it quite interesting to create a fun, cute green manicure. If you do enjoy my nail art tutorial videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into this collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will have all the links for you in the description box, so please go and show some love to everybody who joined into this collab. And at the end of my video, you will also see all of the manicures that were created. So thank you so much, Patty, for hosting this theme. As always, it was so much fun, and I do hope that you will like my final manicure. Alright, just one more thing, guys. I do hope everybody is safe. I know there is a lot going on now with the coronavirus. I just do hope that everybody is safe and sound, that your family and friends are also safe. I hope that you will enjoy my video. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.